Less than BTCARS technical analysis insights. Will BTCARS see an uptrend or face resistance? Greater than hourly candle chart, moving average. Volume. The BTCARS coin is currently trading at 83,675,252 Korean won, positioned between key moving averages. Over the past week, BTCARS has shown fluctuations around the 20, 50, and 100-day moving averages, maintaining a close range to the 20-day moving average at 83,305,000 Korean won. The trading volume has remained relatively low, with recent surges noted when prices approached 84 million Korean won, indicating investor reactions at higher resistance levels. During recent low-volume phases, BTCARS experienced minor price dips, suggesting reduced buyer interest. Relative Strength Index, RSI. The current RSI for BTCARS stands at 48.79, hovering just below the neutral mark of 50, indicating a balanced momentum. Previously, when BTCARS approached similar RSI values, it showed minor price consolidations, followed by upward movements. If the RSI breaks above 60, BTCARS might see an increased bullish trend, whereas dips below 40 often led to declines toward the 77 million Korean won level. Monitoring the RSI behavior around these levels will be essential for BTCARS traders. Stochastic oscillator. BTCARS currently has a stochastic oscillator value of 23.16, signaling potential oversold conditions. Historically, such levels in BTCARS have often been followed by rebounds, particularly when combined with support near the 77,500,000 Korean won price. However, if the stochastic value fails to move upwards soon, BTCARS might test lower support levels. Past data show that the coin responds strongly to stochastic changes, creating short-term opportunities when it crosses the 50 mark. MACD and signal line. The current MACD for BTCARS is at 100,335, with a signal line at 120,312. The negative difference indicates a bearish divergence. The histogram's current trend shows diminishing selling pressure. In the past, BTCARS has reacted with bullish reversals when the MACD line moved closer to or above the signal line, suggesting potential short-term recoveries. Traders should observe whether the MACD line can move above 120,000 for bullish confirmation. Bollinger Bands. BTCARS is trading near the middle of its Bollinger Bands, which currently have an upper band of 84,408,129 Korean won and a lower band of 83,303,082 Korean won. This placement suggests that BTCARS is neither in an overbought nor oversold state. In past scenarios where BTCARS approached the upper band, increased volatility followed, sometimes pushing prices beyond 85 million Korean won. Should BTCARS breach the lower band, expect potential corrections toward 82,500,000 Korean won. Fibonacci retracement. BTCARS is currently positioned above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 77,497,875 Korean won but below the 23.6% level at 81,229,974 Korean won. The 61.8% level at 75,829,740 Korean won has served as a strong support in past trends. If BTCARS maintains its current trajectory, it could test the 0.0% retracement level of 84,566,245 Korean won. Failure to hold the 50% level may result in declines toward the 70 million Korean won mark, according to historical behavior. Daily candle chart and volume. 1 year. Analyzing BTCARS over the past year, key highs were observed at 90 million Korean won in July and lows near 72 million Korean won in March. BTCARS's average trading volume has shifted, with noticeable spikes occurring during significant price peaks. Presently, volume remains subdued, aligning with the consolidation phase at the current price. BTCARS must see an increase in volume to support any upward breakout past 84 million Korean won. Weekly candle chart and volume. 3 years. Over the last 3 years, BTCARS has encountered significant resistance at 90 million Korean won, with support holding firm near 70 million Korean won. Long-term volume analysis shows that BTCARS experienced high buying pressure during early 2023. A return to these levels would indicate a strong buying zone, whereas a break below 70 million Korean won may suggest a shift to a bearish long-term outlook. The current ADX of 18.54 implies a weak trend, indicating potential range-bound movement in the short term. General review: BTCARS shows mixed signals with a current price near 83,675,252 Korean won. Indicators suggest cautious trading, as the RSI and MACD reflect neutral to slightly bearish momentum. The stochastic oscillator hints at potential recovery if momentum gains. For upward momentum, BTCARS needs to break 84 million Korean won and sustain volume growth. On the downside, watch for support near 77 million Korean won, aligned with the Fibonacci and Bollinger Band lower levels. The consistency between short-term and long-term trends will determine BTCARS's potential breakout or further correction.